Hi everybody, Jackie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when I upload future videos. And if you're a returning friend, thank you. I appreciate your coming back and watching what I'm doing. So today, well, yeah, today, because I'm doing a bunch of uploads today, so hence the same clothing. This time I'm going to be bringing to you a haul from a new place that opened up in our town called BargainTree. Kind of a play on words or whatever, making you think that associated with Dollar Tree. I don't know. Anyways, we used to have a Dollar General and it was kind of small and an older building. So they built a new one across town and much bigger and everything. So they finally got everything moved out of the old Dollar General, and someone came in and opened up a spot, and they call it the Bargain Tree. Well, my sister and I went in there last week just to check around and see what they have, and they do have some things that would be like $1, and they have things that are more. They have furniture, they have plants, they have uh, patio furniture, just a little bit of everything in there. So we didn't stay in there real long because it was hot outside and it was like their air conditioning was not working. It was very hot and humid in there. So I hope going forward that they manage to get their air conditioning fixed or whatever the problem was, because I'll be real honest, if I can't be comfortable when I'm shopping, I will not go back to a place. And unless they get the air conditioner fixed there, I will not be going back there, at least until the fall or winter when it cools down. So, okay, I'm going to show you what I got. Just a few little things. Plain black bag, no logo or anything on it, but just a few little things. And some of it was things I could have got at the Dollar Tree for $1, but I wasn't at the Dollar Tree. So let's start with the first thing. We, as a rule, or I don't smoke in the house. My sister's not a smoker. My nephew is. During the day, I try to go outside to smoke, either on the enclosed back porch or on the front porch that's, got a roof on it, but it's all open. So on the back porch, I already have an ashtray there, but I needed an ashtray for the front porch to put on the table. So I got this one, and it's just the ashtray, and I know you can't really tell with the color, but it is a lilac, and as you can see, there's their sticker, Bargain Tree, our price $1. I could have got this at the Dollar Tree, but it only would have been in black. And I thought that was a kind of pretty color to set on the front porch, so that's why I got that. And like I said, I only picked up 3 things, not very much. I got a roll of mounting tape, which is double-sided sticky tape with like foam in the middle. And anybody that's a crafter knows what you do with mounting tape. Now, when I get it from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you, I got some right here. It comes like this, and as you can see, it's already cut, perforated, so you can just peel off a little piece at a time, which is great. But if you need bigger pieces, it's aggravating to have to pull off 47 little pieces. So this is just all one strip, and I just cut off the length I want for that. So that's why I got that. And the last thing I got is basically, it's generic Sharpies, okay? But, and you can get a Sharpie at the Dollar Tree for $1. And you can get a pack of 3, like a blue, red, and black or something, for $1. So that's a good price. But the pack I got, let me see how many it has in here. I don't even see if it says how many. Oh, 24. It's a pack of 24, and it's all different colors. And while they're not Sharpies, they are permanent markers. And I only paid $3 for it, so I thought I'd give it a shot. It's only $3 and I get all these different colors. Now the whole back row, of course, is all black. And then the other row, the other 12, is different colors. So I thought I'd give those a shot and see how they work for me. If if it's not gonna work, it was only $3, so it's not gonna kill me, and I do have some regular black Sharpies that I do use. I just wanted to add a little, variety into it. So, okay, that was it. Real quick, haul. I just wanted to show y'all the stuff I got at this new store called BargainTree. Like I said, I hope they get their air fixed. Otherwise, I won't be going back to the fall or the winter when it's not so hot outside and I can stand to shop in there. And I'm sure they have a lot more stuff in that store. I didn't, I maybe was in there 5 minutes at the most because it was just so hot I couldn't stand it. And neither could my sister. So going to be very interested to go back when it's more bearable for me to shop and see what they have and, compare it to other stores. So that's it. That's all for that store called Bargain Tree. I'd like to remind y'all when the world's going to hell in a handbasket, don't worry about it. Just take care of you, yourself, your friends, the people in your immediate circle, because when it's all done, not my circus and not my monkeys. Y'all have a really good day now. Bye.